Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the last vlog, while discussing the requirement of an ideal clinic, I had mentioned that in the next vlogs, I shall be discussing the requirement of a gastroenterology clinic. Two types of questions have been asked by my junior colleagues and the recently qualified consultants. The first type of questions, or you can say the first part, is how to make a new gastroenterology clinic. And the second question is that how to make an ideal gastroenterology clinic. So in today's vlog, I shall try to answer the first question, that how to make a new gastroenterologist clinic. And then in the next vlog, I shall be trying to answer the question that what should be the requirement of an ideal gastroenterology clinic. So answering this question, that how to make a new gastroenterologist clinic, in my opinion, starting a new gastroenterologist clinic requires careful planning and execution. It requires careful planning and execution. And I'll present to you a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First step is conduct market research. Identify the demand for gastroenterology services in your area and analyze the competition. If there are a couple of medical centers, so you should try that which medical center needs gastroenterology services, or if there are different polyclinics, so which polyclinic has a place for gastroenterology clinic, and if there are different locations of the city, so in which location there is a need for the gastroenterology clinic. So the first step is conduct market research. The second step is develop a business plan. At the end of the day, this is a business. So outline your clinic's mission, goals, target audience, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. This is very, very important. A business plan, that you should outline your clinic's mission, goals, target audience, marketing strategies, financial projections, and operational plans. And the third step, choose a location. Select a convenient and accessible location for your clinic, ensuring compliance with zoning regulations and healthcare facility standards. This is very, very important. Then, as a fourth step, obtain necessary licenses and accreditation. Register your clinic with the appropriate authorities in licensing organizations, the Healthcare Commission and others, because the unregistered clinic is not going to survive. Then on the fifth step, hire staff. So recruit a team of experienced healthcare professionals It may be your other colleagues from gastroenterology, then the nurses, the endoscopy technicians, and support staff. As a sixth step, equip your clinic. Invest in state-of-the-art equipment and technology. Endoscopy suites, colonoscopy equipment, ERCPs, fibroscans, ultrasounds, laboratories, and the electronic health record systems. All these are the basic requirements of a gastroenterology clinic. The seventh step is that of establishing policies and procedures. Develop guidelines for patient care, of course, billing, and ensuring the compliance with the standards and regulations laid down by the licensing agencies. The next important step is build a relationship with different organizations for providing coverage to their patients. The ninth step is once you establish your clinic, market your clinic. Develop a website, social media presence, and advertising strategy to attract patients and promote your services. But whatever marketing is, it should be the true reflection of your expertise and your services. There should be nothing like exaggeration. It should be reality based. And then launch your clinic. Open your doors to patients, focusing on high quality care and exceptional customer service. So, to make a new gastroenterology clinic, I repeat the steps, and these are conduct market research, develop a business plan, choose a location, obtain necessary registration, hire the staff, equip your clinic, establish policies and procedures, build relationships with other organizations, market your clinic, and launch your clinic. Remember to stay up to date with industry developments and adapt to changing healthcare landscape. This is very, very important. So, good luck with your new clinic. I hope if you are planning to open a new gastroenterology clinic, this roadmap will help you to start a good gastroenterology clinic. And once you start it, then you improve it and you make it a brand. What should be the requirements of a successful gastroenterology clinic? I'll be answering this question in my next vlog. As I said in the intro, there are two types of questions. Many questions have been asked, and if I group them, there are two types. One is how to open a new gastroenterology clinic, and second, how to make a gastroenterology clinic a great success. So, we discuss a successful gastroenterology clinic in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Khuda Hafiz.